Hi guys, here we are at Hampden crossing, and there's a train further down the line. 17:30, which is meant to stop on right through to Ashton International, and here comes another Southern service, but the barriers have not dropped. The 377, the barriers have not dropped. Hey guys, wow, look now. This is like that Mercedes stops, boy. I think this is for very early 15:18 Southern service to all. There you go. Now with my cousin, but he's not recording this time. I'm going to record the next closure. What about that Ashton train went right through? Oh, it meant to stop. What?
The numbers are...
Crap. 20% left. It says 7426, I think. But the 15:18 Southern service to all. Nothing behind us, and we're on a green signal.
Where's Or anyway?
Or in Hastings.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. There she comes. I think it's 7426.
Right. Oh crap, turn my phone off.
377426 to all. And up they go. Thank you guys for the next video.